The high-paying development career, as we all know, is dead. But if you make these 3 shifts right now, you won't just survive the 2027 trap. You will actually going to thrive in the era of AI. While everyone else is arguing about which AI model is better, a much more dangerous shift is happening under our feet. I call it 2027 trap. In the less than 24 months, writing code will be a low-value skill. And if your primary value to your company is just to write code, you are already in danger zone. Today, I'm going to give you a survival blueprint. We will going to cover the 3 brutal shifts you must take immediately. First one is why you must stop being a programmer and start being an architect. Second, how to transition from a coder to an AI orchestrator. And the third, why your business logic is the only thing that will keep you from being replaced. If you don't make these moves, you will be watching from a sideline while industry moves without you. Let's be honest. We have spent years pridefully mastering syntax, the specific grammar of programming language. We memorize the docs, learn the edge cases, but the 2027 trap make all of these efforts irrelevant. When an AI can write, test, and deploy a feature in seconds, your typing speed and high coding knowledge doesn't matter. So, first shift is moving from how to what. You are no longer a builder, you are a system architect. Think of it like a building a house. The AI is the bricklayer. It can lay thousands of bricks perfectly in a minute, but it has no idea where the window should go, how the plumbing connect, or if the foundation can support a second floor or not. Your value in 2027 is not in laying the bricks, but it is designing the blueprint. You need to stop thinking how to write and start thinking how to audit the structure of your system. This leads to the second shift, becoming an AI orchestrator. Now think of an orchestrator like a project manager of AI. A project manager doesn't do the design, the coding, or the testing all by themselves. Instead, they make sure right person, or in this case, the right AI is doing the right task at the right time to get the perfect project finished. As an orchestrator, you are not writing every line of code. Instead, you are managing AI workforce, a network of specialized AI agents. One agent handles the database, another audits security, and the third writes tests. Your new job is like context engineering. If you can't define the boundaries of a system so clearly that the AI workforce can work together without breaking each other, you will be stuck fixing bugs you didn't even written. But there is the hard truth. You can be the best conductor, managing flawless AI workforce, but still lose your job. Why? Because an AI can follow your direction perfectly and still build a product that nobody wants. Technical perfection is no longer a moat because AI has made it so easy. Your only real protection is understanding the one thing AI can't feel, business goal. And that leads to the shift number 3. Here is the hardest truth of 2027 trap. Coding become commodity. It's become cheap, fast, and available to everyone. When the cost of generating code drops to 0, the how become irrelevant. What matters is why. This is your business logic mode, the protective wall around your career that AI can't jump. AI knows how to build a login page, but it doesn't know why your specific user are dropping off from the checkout screen. It doesn't understand the nuance of industry's regulation or unique pain point your software is trying to solve. The developers earning 2x more in 2027 won't be the one who know the most libraries or frameworks. They will be the one who can translate a messy business problem into a technical solution. Stop thinking like a coder. Start thinking like a product owner. If you can't explain how your code actually makes or or save money, you are a cost center. And in the era of AI, cost centers are the first to be automated. The 2027 trap is real and it's coming faster than you have think. But for the developers who make these three shifts, this is not a crisis, it's the biggest opportunity in the history. You have a choice. Be the person replaced by agent or be the person who own the AI workforce. But if you want to see how we can actually run the AI agents and do all of these things, check out the next video of this channel because that will be the part 2 of 2027 trap.